Hello and welcome to Carlson PhotoCapture. Today I will be introducing Carlson PhotoCapture's cloud-based software for your 3D modeling and imaging needs. In this video, I will be giving you a brief overview of what the program is and how it works. Today we will be looking at a project that has already been uploaded and processed. Let's take a look around. In the List tab, you are able to see all projects that you have created, with the most recent ones that you have been working on being lined in the column on the left. If you want to get a bigger overview of all of your projects, you can click the Map tab. We can see all of our projects that we have worked on and zoom in or click on them to select them. Once we open a project, we are navigated to the Overview tab, where we get a slew of deliverables that we can look at and download. Please view the Spatial Data Deliverables video to learn more of the specifics of each selection. You can then click over into the Canvas tab, which will start you off with your 3D model. Here you will find the tools to manipulate and annotate your map. You can navigate to the menu along the right-hand side of the screen to select your tool. A pop-up will appear and explain how to use each of them. The next tab is the Analyzer tab, which shows you the sparse point cloud and allows you to view the location of all of your photos from your drone in comparison to the point cloud. We can click on one of the photos and it will bring up a window where you can view and download that specific photo if you need to. The Analyzer tab also allows you to work with adding, viewing, and calibrating your ground control points. You are also able to make checkpoints and tie points, and view how well your photos have been connected to your ground control points. This is a very quick overview of what Carlson PhotoCapture is and what it can do. Please check out our playlists for more tutorials and videos.